Hey y'all, so sorry I've not posted a video in a while, but I need to film this video because I was supposed to film it like June of last year, but I didn't do it because y'all know how I am on YouTube. I'm very inconsistent, but I am really grateful for this company for waiting on my video as long as they did. I know it's so bad and I'm so sorry. I apologize to them so many times, but yeah, I'm going to be just doing a quick wig review today. It's a brand company that I've worked with in the past. I don't know if the video is still up, but it was the wig video that I did with the silver like bob, and I did like the whole like bald cap install thing. I'm not good at that. I did not do that today. This wig is very easy to wear and you don't really have to do much. And I'm sure if y'all are watching this video, y'all might have seen the wig reviews I did in the past. I always say I'm not good at styling hair, and I'm not good at installing wigs because I don't have the patience and I just want to like put them on and go. So this one's really good for that. This wig is from Afsisterwig. Like I said, I worked with them before and they have really nice hair. Their prices are really good too. I've had this wig for like, well, since June last year, so over a year now. I've worn it a few times, but I don't really go anywhere, so I haven't really worn it that much, but it still looks brand new. This is not like fully like installed on my head. There is a little bit of got to be up there to just like hold it in place. But yeah, I don't really do much to this wig at all when I wear it. I'll show y'all a clip of what the cap looks like.
So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. The wig cap, it's got this, you know, standard combs. Why isn't it focused? There. It's got combs on the sides right here. I'm probably gonna cut this one out. And then it's got that one, and then the one in the back, and I left some lace here so I could show y'all like the color of it. And then it also has this, which is so helpful, and it helps the wig stay on your head better. It's more secure, so I really like that. And you can take this off too if you don't want it, but yeah, that's the inside. It's just a lace front, and if it looks dingy, I have makeup on it. So yeah, that's the wig.
Let me pull up the details. This is the Skin Melt oh wait, I don't have the full lace, give me 1 second. Okay, I believe this is the wig that I have. All the information is going to be in the description bar, so if it's not the correct wig, please like excuse that, just check the description please, but I'm pretty sure this is it. I know it's the Skin Melt lace, and it is just a frontal lace, 13x6 frontal body wave. I just washed this hair and let it air dry, and this is how it looks. This is how I like my wigs to look, very effortless and like natural looking. I have the 22-inch, and it's very long on me because I'm short. It like goes down to my butt crack pretty much, so yeah, I'm like 5'1", so it's super long on me. And the price is $440.99, but they do have like Klarna, so you can do like 4 payments, which is really great. So yeah, that's my wig. The lace is like really nice. If I had like a wig cap underneath, it would like probably look just like my hair. I did not bleach the knots or anything because I find that bleaching the knots makes my wig like shed more because it like weakens the hair up there. So I didn't do that. This wig does shed like a little bit, like normal hair would, I would say, but it's not bad at all. It's really nice, and the hair is super soft and like lightweight, which I like because it's kind of similar to my own like hair texture, except my hair's curly. The only thing I did was put some of my foundation on the inside so it'll like look better without me wearing a wig cap underneath. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all are looking for a wig, I definitely recommend this one. I've just like retired my other wig because I I only had one other one that I would wear, and I've had that one like for 3 years, but I feel like this one's gonna last me a really long time too. So yeah, I definitely recommend it if y'all are looking for a wig. Oh, also I did cut like layers in the front. Not very good, but just to like have some face framing pieces. But yeah, that's how it looks. Y'all know I don't be doing much to my hair, but yeah, this is the wig and it's really nice. It's super like voluminous and full. I'm pretty sure it's either 150 or 180 density, but like I said, I'll have the accurate description and link to the wig in the description box, so check there if you want to get the wig, please. I was like planning on like doing like a full install, but I have like work tomorrow and I didn't feel like sleeping in a wig, so I just did it, you know, my lazy way of putting my wigs on. And it looks really good in my opinion. So Afsisterwig has a lot of nice wigs if y'all want to check them out. I've been a customer of theirs for a long time, I think since like 2018. So yeah, I definitely recommend them. They're one of, honestly, the best wigs that I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of wigs since I've been like posting on YouTube, so you can trust my word. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you check the wigs out on afsisterwig.com if you're looking for a wig, of course. But yeah, sorry that it's just a review. Like I said, I did want to like try styling a wig because I do want to get better at like doing my hair. I want to try like cute hairstyles, so maybe I'll do that in the future. Oh, anyway, thank y'all for watching. Sorry again that I don't post often. I'm just like, I just wake up, go to work, and honestly just sleep. So yeah, I haven't really been in the mood to film. Maybe I'll film something soon. Also, if I look a little different, I did like shave my eyebrows off. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I posted like a reel, excuse me, I posted a reel and like a TikTok on TikTok shaving my eyebrows a few weeks ago, and I really like it actually. I said before and like probably like all my other videos that I'm like losing my I have like a big scar because I have like a autoimmune condition. You can't really see it right now, but yeah, I get scars like all over my body. There's some right here too. Yeah, I get scars, and I have one on my eyelid, so it's like up to here, and my like eyebrow fell out and my eyelashes are like gone on that side, so I just shaved my eyebrows off, and this is how they look. I really like the thin eyebrow, so I'm probably going to keep them like this for a while and shave them and like try fun looking eyebrows. So yeah, if I look different, that's why. Actually, oh wait, I'll tell y'all later. Something exciting, but I can't talk about it right now. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are. Bye.